In this quick tutorial, you're going to learn how to use presets in Adobe Lightroom. So you can see here that we're editing some photos and we've applied some basic color correction here to this image. This is one of the most awesome humans you'll ever meet, by the way, Doug from Mind Pump. He's the producer of the top fitness podcast in the world. If you haven't checked out Mind Pump, go ahead and listen to it. If you haven't already, chances are you have. But get ripped and get your mind pumped. Anyways, up in the top right corner, you'll see this button called Presets. You can also press Shift P, but let's go ahead and click on that. Now, what you'll automatically see is, assuming you're connected to the internet, Adobe Lightroom is going to give you recommended presets based on your image. So as you can see, we can hover over any of these presets. If we like one, we can click this button called More Like This. And we can just kind of see what Adobe Lightroom, has to offer. It has black and white images. It has usually images with high, amounts of sharpening, some different styles. We can also navigate, to subtle presets if we think that changed our image too much. You can also look at strong presets if you're, working with a different image that isn't, that would work with a lot of strong presets, like editing a music video images or behind the scenes content, with crazy lighting. Sometimes that can really help or make your image look better. Now you can also navigate to premium presets, and you can see, you have a lot of different options for these premium presets, and each one is slightly different. So you can look at, portraits, for example. So for this one, we can go ahead and look at, portraits, with different skin tones, and we can add or decrease this effect, if we like it, assuming we like it. All right. Now, you also have the ability to look at your presets. So you can create custom color, and then you can save a preset. This is really handy if you have clients, who always shoot photos in the same studio or the same room, and you want to create branded presets for each client. And if you do want to save a preset, assuming, let's say, I don't love this, current color here, but let's say it was perfect and we did, we can go ahead and click this plus icon in the preset section, and we can name our preset. In this case, we could name it Portrait, and we could select a group or create a new group for this. In this case, I'll just save it under default. And it will save here the optics, details, effects that were added, all the different things that were added to this image. And the second you press save, you'll be able to see that preset under User Presets. Right here, we can see Portrait. All right. And what's cool about Adobe Lightroom too is all these presets will save. So if you do happen to change computers, as I just did, I actually see all of my pre-saved portraits for various clients. So if you have any questions on working with presets, saving your own, drop them in the comment section below. Hope this tutorial was short and to the point and get you started in the right way with presets.